To make traditional Ukrainian borscht, you will need the following ingredients: beets, potatoes, carrots, onions, cabbage, beef or pork, optional, garlic, bay leaves, dill, sour cream, lemon juice or vinegar. Instructions: peel and chop the beets, potatoes, carrots, onions, and cabbage. In a large pot, sauté the onions and garlic in a little bit of oil until softened. Add the chopped beef or pork, if using, and cook until browned. Add the chopped vegetables, bay leaves, and enough water to cover everything. Bring the soup to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about an hour, or until the vegetables are tender. Remove the bay leaves and add lemon juice or vinegar to taste. Serve the borscht hot, garnished with chopped dill and a dollop of sour cream. Note, you can also add other vegetables such as beans, peas, celery. You can also add tomatoes for a richer flavor.